I wonder if Jinwoo is still sleeping.
Hey Gina, you going to school?
Oh, what the? You're awake?
I woke up a while ago. Be careful on your way to school.
Jinwoo? Have you been working out?
A little.
Why are you buff?
Stop asking weird questions and have a safe trip. I've gained muscle mass. A call from the Hunters Association, maybe? Hunter Sung Jinwoo speaking.
Jeez, you finally picked up. Jinwoo, why haven't you been answering my calls? I'm calling because I haven't received this month's rent yet. Do you need a month or two to get it together?
It's okay. I'll deposit the rent later today. But I don't have any money right now. What can I manage to get today? Oh, this ad.
I'm Hwang Dong-suk. What's your name?
I'm Sung Jinwoo.
Like I said over the phone, you won't get any essence stones. But I'll give you 2 million won in cash just for coming today. Pretty sweet deal, eh?
So, what should I do?
Nothing much, just carry our bags. Okay then, please sign this contract.
A strike squad consisting of just tanks and damage dealers? That's messed up. There's even a clause that says, I have read and understood that the strike squad will not be responsible for any accidents that happen inside of the dungeon. Okay, I understand.
Hey, I guess you and I are both here just for the head count. Nice to meet you. My name's Eugene-ho, I'm 22 years old, and my rank is D. Oh, and like you, I'm not a member of this strike squad either.
This guy? Is he the son of a business tycoon or something?
Alright, let's head in.
Looks like they're about to head in. Let's hurry and follow them.
It's too dark. Q1, turn on the light. What is this place? Where are the beasts?
Do some dungeons not have magic beasts?
Shh.
No, they just haven't shown up yet. What lives in the dark in groups and attacks when they see light? That noise! Insect-type beasts!
Insects?
Where? I can't see them!
Above!
Get into formation! I'll go aggro and draw their attention!
There's too many of them!
1, on your 11! Use magic!
Yeah, I see it.
Tearing through! An opening! I'll shred you! It was a good fight.
Grab all the essence stones. We'll split them between the 9 of us. You saved us. How did you know the magic beasts were gonna drop from above?
It was just a feeling.
You have good instincts. I'm glad things went smoothly. Keep it up. But I hope your instincts won't pick up on anything unnecessary.
What?
Stop! Come take a look at this!
What are you fussing about? Excuse me for a moment.
Yeah.
They were already torn to pieces before we fought them? Could it be a boss, or... This... smells like money.
Chino, I think we should be careful. What is this ominous feeling? Now, let's get started. This will really help you grow. Time for a counterattack. Too slow. I'll shred you! I'll end this! An opening! To the front. Too slow. It's over. An opening! You can't avoid it! You're an unworthy opponent. The size of the dungeon varies regardless of the rank. Sometimes it takes days to explore the inside, and other times you reach the boss room in a matter of hours. This dungeon was set up like a maze, so we spent a lot of time exploring. Watch out for the lizards. A warning popped into my head all of a sudden. I have no idea why I thought of it, but I'm certain that my instincts were never wrong, and I'd had a bad feeling the whole time.
It's really strange. A lot of time's passed, but I haven't seen a single decent magic beast. So far, I've just seen corpses and dying beasts.
But there should still be a boss in here, right?
Why would a gate open if there's no boss? We have no choice but to keep moving.
This will really help you grow. An opening! You can't avoid it! An opening! An opening! An opening! Time for a count. Too slow. It's over. I'll shred you! Tearing through! I see an opening! An opening! I'll end this! It was a good fight. Let's go.
Jinwoo, is there really a boss up ahead?
Most likely. It must be a pretty big guy, seeing how it marked.
I'll shred you! You don't have to worry. We'll take care of everything.
I'll end this! Too slow. An opening! I see it. An opening! Tearing through! You can't avoid it! An opening! To the foot. Too slow. I'll shred you! This is the end! I'll end this! You can't avoid it! This is the end! It's over! An opening! I'll end this!
Wait, Q1, bring the light over this way.
Huh?
Oh my god. It's the boss's lair.
This is...
Holy crap!
How much is all this worth?
So this bastard's the dungeon boss.
You're an unworthy opponent.
Jinwoo, give me the contract you signed.
Why do you want my contract?
I have a feeling those guys left out your share. Excuse me, I'd like to ask you all something. Mr. Huang, this is Jinwoo's contract. It only states how the essence stones gained will be divided. Nothing about how the other goods will be distributed. Can you explain why that part was left out? Shouldn't the mana crystals be split among the 10 of us?
Of course we should split the crystals equally, I'm already aware. But before that, there's something we need to take care of. As you may already know, the gate will close once we defeat the boss. So we need to mine the mana crystals now. Chuljin, did you bring the equipment?
Nope, I left all the mining equipment back in the car.
I'm sorry, but can the two of you stay here and stand guard? We're gonna have to go back and get the equipment.
You want just the two of us to stay in the boss's lair?
Don't worry, you'll be fine. It seems like it's fast asleep, so you'll be okay as long as you don't go out of your way to provoke it. Alright then, we'll be back. Q1. Block the boss's lair's entrance.
The entrance!
Just as I thought. They're lizards. What was his name again? Jo Kyuhwan? He's a C-rank mage that can control light. He blocked off the entrance pretty well. It wouldn't be that hard to get out if I really wanted to, but...
Jinwoo, stay behind me. I'll do what I can.
Countless eyes, a gaping maw, legs the size of trees. This boss is on a completely different level. Jinwoo, you stay put. He's all mine.
Leave it to me.
I'll shred you!
To the foot. Too slow.
An opening! I'll end this! It's over.
Leave it to me.
An opening!
Time to warm up.
It's no use! I'll shred you!
Leave it to me.
Status recovery. Accept. Glad I still had my daily quest reward. Don't know what I would have done without it. It was a good fight. I should take the items.
No way! There's no doubt. He's a false hunter. Pardon me. Would you like me to carry your essence stones for you, sir?
Sir?
All the equipment was in the bag. Those jerks. I'll do it.
Why is he acting like this all of a sudden? Well, I guess I'm kind of a lifesaver to him.
Dong-suk, I hear a noise inside.
Q1, be ready.
They must be here.
Huh?
What? Those guys are still alive?
Jinwoo. I underestimated him.
Dongsak, what should we do now?
We have to make him our ally, of course. Jinwoo! Yujin Construction's chairman, Yu Myung-an. He's your father, right?
Yes? So?
So we'll give you a chance. Kill Sung Jinwoo.
What?
Kill Sung Jinwoo. Join us. What are you waiting for?
Jinwoo,
It's fine.
no, Jinwoo.
Yujino, you...
What are you doing? You're gonna take his side against all of us?
Suk, what should we do?
Let's get rid of the weakling first. Have you ever killed someone before?
Jinwoo! Murderers!
How could I have forgotten? In a dungeon, it's always survival of the fittest. The system is forcing me to commit murder. The system needs me to be strong. At least now I know. The system is using me, so I'll use the system.
Huh? He's still alive!
Is that the best you can do?
Sorry, sir. I went all out.
It's no use. An opening!
I don't know what he's trying to do, but don't let your guard down. Attack him again, Q1.
I'll shred you! I'll end this!
Let me show you something. No matter how monstrous his strength is, he must be tired after fighting.
You can't avoid it!
Swinging.
This is the end! Leave it to me. An opening! To the front. Too slow. I'll end this! An open! I'll shred you! It's no use! Hwang Dong-suk, you're strong, but there's one thing you don't know. And that's that I've been leveling up.
Wait, don't kill me. If it's money you want, I'll give it to you.
You said what happens in the dungeon stays in the dungeon, right?
You bastard! Don't you know who my younger brother is?
Not bad. What should I do with him?
Jinwoo, spare me my life at least.
The dungeon's starting to close up. Let's get out of here.
Huh? Oh, okay.
You're an unworthy opponent.